guys.
Happy New Year!
Welcome back to our channel. I am ready for love. Yup, with Canessa and Jerome. Yeah man, you make it to 2023, so you know say we cross over, right? So big up yourself. Happy New Year. I want to wish you all the best for this year.
Yeah. Okay guys, so I did a thing last year. But November, October, so I think.
We just learned about it, so I can't.
No, I did tell you at the time. I forgot. I did your assumptions of me thing on Instagram. If you're not following us on Instagram, this would be a good time to go over there. The name is always here, right? Just so. Go there, follow us, so you know what is going on when it is going on. So I did the thing and I'm finally doing the video here. So the question was, what are some assumptions about us? Some people sent in questions. Your assumption can't be a question, guys, but I did answer those questions on Instagram. They're still there if you look around. But yeah, I wanted assumptions and I got some, so we're gonna deal with them. You ready?
I feel like me him for a surprise.
No man, nobody not send nothing out of the way. So that's why I did like, I don't know if we could do the video because the assumptions were, I never nothing like out of the way kind of assumptions.
So you're expecting something out of the way?
Yeah.
Well,
maybe, yeah. Well, the people them when normally give with them kind of assumption they didn't comment. Maybe they think it never anonymous is true. It was really anonymous people. I don't know who sent what. So we could get into it. That's a question. The worst trouble you got into as a kid. You want to answer that?
Just the worst trouble I got into as a kid.
Yeah.
You remember, we get not so much trouble.
Wow. I was not a troublesome child. I was reaching my teen years.
Not like you're trouble,
So why you ever going on my story and you can't answer your own
no,
story?
because so like
No, you're very enough. Oh, you're reaching a nice.
No.
Take the flake out of the plank out of your eye before you're moving from other people.
Yeah, I make a disclaimer, but I was never a troublemaker.
No, I said I wasn't a troublesome child until my teen years. That's what I said.
Yeah, so the question is still relevant to that. Anyhow, guys.
You can't find fear, but you want trouble.
No, they can't talk about trouble me, Johnny, like probably
I want trouble me getting a one day they get trouble.
Guys, you can't tell her trouble. Move on. Let's go to your assumptions.
Anyhow, that's a question as well. The first assumption: you have a happy and peaceful marriage.
What do you think? Is that true?
No, I'm asking the things here.
So it's for me?
No, it's for both of us, but I think I should allow the guest to speak first.
When the guest did
Come now.
What's it say? The assumption
You
around.
have a happy and peaceful marriage.
Alright, let me put it this way. I know for most persons they sort of judge us based on what they see, and that is just practical and that is just expected because we can only speak or form an assumption from what you see. So based on this assumption, I think we do have a happy marriage. Let me speak for me. I think I am okay. I think I am comfortable. There are those moments when
no peace, no little.
no man, that's no peace. I don't think we reach a level where alright. Honestly speaking, no, I try to explain what the experience that I've had so far. Alright, so there's never a day that we don't talk. There's never a half a day that we don't talk. There are like 10 minutes or half an hour where we just silent and me just, like me upset.
Do what I do, me
just
do what I do.
I'm gonna look for her like about half an hour or so, but me not think even pass an hour. I mean, nah, exaggerate, I'm not tell a lie. And then after we come, I say, so and so, or she come and so and so, and then we move on.
Friend.
Yeah. But we have never gone a half a day or even a day and not talk to each other, never do something late. Whether within
Out
a
of
safe
malice.
space.
Out of malice. Maybe.
But I at work, I'm there, so I don't say we do that at work. That's different.
So,
but in
out
terms of
malice, yeah.
disagreement, because enough of that, we never do something late. Like never. I've never experienced that with Carissa. And that could have probably answered the same peaceful part of it. When I set up somebody there, I'm probably not really understand me. I think probably don't believe me. We have never argued, like cuss out, argue, we never do that.
We do disagree.
Disagreement. So if it's argument in the sense that we share different opinion and I am stubborn at times and this is what I want to do, can I say I'll be the kind of person like, okay, then do what you want to do. And then I being who I am, we just do more and do. If you work, you work. If you feel. And she now carry no grudge. Sometimes it do. She now carry no grudge and say, see, da. She just went there, and I'm saying, say, if it don't work out though, she said, okay, and it done. And move on. So honestly, I've never gone to the point to actually had an argument. While we were dating and courting, when we get married, still never had an argument with her. So if I say something I don't like, let me say, B, you couldn't do so and so or whatever. And if I feel like say she could have do it and she named it or whatever, I say, man, it's alright, man. And I told me give her half an hour break, just not paying no mind.
Yeah, so we do have disagreements. We do address any problem that's in the room head on. And we're like, yo, Ray, and we deal with it. And if we have to just go separately, you go in our kitchen, we go in our bedroom, say like a hour or so, we do so. And then when we come back now, we talk about it and say, oh, we could have done this better.
My thing is, I wanted to, is that we kind of understand each other because without me saying no vex, we don't say no when no vex. And me know when no vex. So if me feel like you should have or could have done something or you did something, and me look for you, I'm like, really? It's okay. And you figure it out until you feel like you need to apologize and feel like you need to apologize, and that's it. But yeah. So I think we do have a happy and a peaceful marriage.
Yeah. The next one.
So you agree with them, sir?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're going to sell your locks. No, I'm not. I think that's weird.
Can I say you sell it? No, it's not weird. Persons do it.
I know that people do it, but we find it weird for you buy some of the locks. It's weird, I don't know.
Them people by years over the same thing. Just because a lock, you might just look on a different one.
Maybe because of my ear, like, it's weird. That's a question. Most people sent in questions. You got it all together is another assumption.
As we say again, guys, we look at these perfect things. We don't have it all together. Me have some little things what whatever that thing is, that kind of do something where push me to the edge. I'm like, B, and I can't deal with that. Yeah, I'm not saying to do the same thing. So we don't got it all together. So some of them are, for me, you know, my style is this. I will fix and we clean at times. I mean good clean. But me have a moment and we just put on something like anyway. You understand? And we just left it there so. And before we know it, the place just pull up back. And then she got quiet about it. You understand? And then like I said to your son now, with you know, kind of the kind of person now, she do things I need to do this first, then that, and then that. While me now, we try and just I do 3 something one time just to get it done. So say for instance we're going out. This is normally my thing in Canada. So if I go left work and I know so I go for the road, like I go to Kingston and I left work, I say, before I left work, I say, Canada, I left work. So get ready. I guarantee you that when I reach the gate, Canessa is not ready.
Because I have things to do.
And few are things that I see by the time I reach at the door, I'm out long, you know. Because it's like she try to say but I come in and can't say nothing to me, you know. So you know me do. So me just come in, I'm like, okay. I'm just do what I need to do. I'm sit down in the car and I say, I'm not coming back on the inside, the keys on the column right there. So when you're ready, just close the door and come. I vex me vexing us. So I say, no, I'm not coming up and arguing. So I sit down in the car when you're ready because currents are just not, it's a rush there. And if you just do this quick, me up on yes, not
no,
currents.
but I do.
No.
I'm not rushing a your way, I rush in mine.
If you say currents are rush, everybody normal.
No.
You don't rush currents. I when you're late as you know, so the appointment at 10 o'clock, I'm going to say, B, come on, man.
But if you're late already.
No, that's not me.
What's the
So
point
if
in
I'm me,
rushing?
me not like the something. So it's like, and that's one thing we should do.
Hold
Actually
up,
push me to the
wait
edge.
a minute.
Yes.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
So when Jerome said, oh, we're late to go somewhere. A supermarket, Jerome talking like, we're going to supermarket are closed 8 o'clock and we are left for 3 o'clock and we're late.
Because, alright, things is people, you see, if I go somewhere in a
The
mind,
supermarket, they're down the road by the way.
fine. But if I tell myself, say, I want to go and come up before a certain time, if you not work out a late, we late. But if you can't say no, it's just when we reach, no worry, no stress over it. For
Why are you
me,
stressed about it?
no, me need
You're
to go
going
and
to
come
the
back.
supermarket. Why are you stressing about the
Me
supermarket?
not like go out and my day feel like say it just done so. Driving and just out there. So I feel like we need to just wrap this up and move on. So there's something there, me and Karen say in a silent conflict with that. There was moments be you couldn't so what me try to do now is that me just work my head around her. So as I said to you, say me left work, and I know me left it, you call her long before me run if you left and say, B, me ready. I'm still dying for the day to actually come and sit down and say, how it takes so long?
So you never come and see me ready?
You're not fully ready. Because it's the last thing. Every time they see her dress, you say everything and say, okay, she's ready. Oh, well, I make her brush my teeth. I think I lock the door. Make her brush your teeth. Since you see now, I'm just saying, no, just take out the baby. I'm just carry him in the car.
I'm going to say my met me late, you know.
And that's the next thing. Everything, a puppy makes you
We're
leave.
not talking about him.
Whatever.
You got
So,
it all together.
I just use this little scenario to show you that we not have it all together. There are those little things that we do where we basically piss off each other.
In life, in general, do you have it all together?
Yeah, no people.
The baby, we are.
Me, I'm not. I'm go for you. People don't have it all together, and I don't want persons to look at us and say, boy, alright, look upon it and say, boy, I have this perfect life. Just like everybody else out there, I think we're affected by the social issues that surround us, money, time, and we're still learning. So when we have it all together, I think the important thing is that we're patient with each other, we're understanding of each other. I think we're mature, so basically we don't fight, we basically collaborate, and we just take life one step at a time. And important, and I would say the Stevie young couples out there, try to work out things between you and your spouse. You don't need to go out there and dash your dirty water in the public and for everybody here and call in law and call in this, that. No, we're not dead. We not learn as you don't live. So sit down, this no work out, we're not comfortable with this, how best we can work on it, so next time things basically work out better. So I think for us, we are conscious of our age, we are conscious of our maturity, and as such, we basically work out things as they come. So we don't have it all together, but we are comfortable and
Working towards.
yeah, we're working well. Who knows that we'll never ever have it all together. But we're good though, but we not put on a facade in our life when we come on camera, we are like we're happy. We're not do something, we're actually happy for you. Yeah.
The next one is that you're going to get a tattoo.
Who, me? Who didn't think I tattoo? Me or you?
I know who put that on me.
Nothing on me. There are things that people probably don't expect or don't see Jerome doing that I am going to do. But tattoo is not one of them.
For example, care to share?
No, I don't want to share because I share a different belief from what people have for me, I think. Weird to say that. And what people have for themselves. And there are certain things that I like, right? But the tattoo is not one of those things for me. You?
No, I don't think so.
Yes.
I've not known me like that much.
Yeah, but I'm not against it, like, to trouble everybody and say, boy, that, no, but it's just...
This move.
Baby, man. So read the assumption thing, let me catch it. Read the assumption thing, I'm not going to get a tattoo anytime soon. No. Not one of my things. Come puppy, come talk your assumption. Tell people if I lie or true what you. I'm clean up even see it. Look fully bathed. Jesus. Babe. Look fully bathed. When you can just bathe and you come down so nice, it's good, you know? When you can just bathe alone and you come down so nice, it's really good. Down. Yes, I'm not clean. Down.
This is here, guys. You just need up. Hi.
Yeah, bright light in your face, don't it?
Alright. Done.
Hold this.
Look at that.
As you come and drop in the finger.
Okay.
Come look in the bright light.
I'm making look in your life.
What now, dude?
You don't know. Are you working in the... This is a question, not an assumption. Are you working in the field you studied for? If so, what do you most like or dislike about it?
Me or you don't matter.
I answered already on Instagram, so you can answer.
Well, I am working in the field I studied for, which is guidance and counseling. I think I actually like the job, but I just hate the system that we function in, the Jamaican education system. I just think it's outdated, unrealistic. I don't even know which adjective to use, but it's a system I believe is the turn off for me.
Okay, the last one.
Okay, finally, Bridget.
How long did you get no
Oh, dating or something?
How long did you guys date before Jerome popped the question?
Probably how long again?
Yes, because he was definitely there.
I think it was. It's safe to say a year. If it was December to December, was it a year? I think a year. We started the whole pursuing process December 26, and got married December 26.
You did start before that.
Yeah, but
But
no,
you made it known and clear.
December 26. So I made it known and clear Boxing Day of that year. I don't remember which year. And
wow.
2019.
No.
2018?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
2018 we got married. Oh, the proposal.
Yeah.
Oh, proposed December the 14th.
Yeah.
2020.
No.
2019. And then got married the following year, December 26, 2020.
Yes.
Yes, guys, everything took 1 year. 1 year dating, 1 year the engagement, and then marriage.
And then 1 year.
Then 1 year puppy come. Down in December, find out the puppy is on his way. It's up here 1 year, one now this year.
What?
Oh my god. It's a good step, guys. 1 year. Dum. Well, sister 1 year time, don't you?
Anyways, guys.
So, but that's an assumption. I'm not asking if you're going to have another baby.
Yeah, because I
So
said
why
most
you
of
skip
the
that?
assumptions were questions.
Oh. So you answer them, sir.
Are you guys gonna return to Jamaica? I answered that. Have you ever cried during a movie? I answered that. Baby number 2. If you have some where you can't manage and you need somebody to adopt them, call me.
Okay, look what I love of that.
Right?
So, dung.
It's just.
Feed the baby. Yes, food time. Dung.
Yes, baby.
Oh, can you feed her? There's a cutting video business. Oh, my food. Alright, guys, so I think we finished the video.
I believe so.